He boost the morale of his soldiers by the war cry Vaheguru Ji da Khalsa and Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh, and they all stand up and fight against the enemy. Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you a great story about a brave soldier, Paramveer Chakra Subedar Joginder Singh Sehnan. So Paramveer Chakra is highest Indian military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished act of valor in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. Talking about the early life of Subedar Joginder Singh, so he was born on 29 September 1921 in the Mehlakalan, Moga district, Punjab, British India. His father name was Sher Singh Sehnan and he belongs to an agricultural Sainisik family, and his mother name was Krishna Kaur Bhela. He went for his primary school in Nathuwala village and went for his middle school in Daroli village. After completion of his 10th examination, he decided to join army, considering that it would give him identity and purpose. At the age of 30, he married to Gurdyal Kaur and had 3 children. Talking about the army life or journey in the army, so after joining the British Indian Army, he posted in 1st Battalion of Sikh Regiment on 28 September 1936, only at the age of 15 years. After joining the army, he identified his interest in education and soon passed the army education examination. After passing the examination, subsequently he appointed as unit education instructor. He served in Second World War on Burma front and in India-Pakistan war during 1947-48 in Srinagar. Now, talking about the incident which completely changed his life and made him a recipient of Paramveer Chakra. So this was the time when the war between India and China was on its peak. Chinese forces were in dominance and regularly invading Indian territory. On 9 September 1962, the then Defence Minister of India, Krishna Menon, made a decision to evict the Chinese troops from south of Thala Ridge, and this decision was endorsed by the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Subsequently, 7 Infantry Brigade was ordered to move to Namkachu, and unfortunately Chinese troops got aware of this attack and attacked back to the Namkachu post. However, Indian side resisted the attack but have to face the heavy casualties. After this attack, Chinese forwarded to Tawang, and in the way for Tawang, they encountered on Indian post held at a platoon of 20 men in Bumla from the 1st Battalion of Sikh Regiment under the command of Subedar Joginder Singh. At 5:30 hours on 23rd October 1962, Chinese opened a heavy attack on Bumla axis with the intention to breaking through to Tawang. They opened attack in the ridge with on the formation of 3 waves consisting of 200 men each. The first wave arrived, but the Subedar Singh and his men moved down the wave and gave temporary halt to the enemies. But during some time the second wave continues. The second wave arrived, but this time the Subedar Singh and his men have to face the loss of half of its men, and he himself got wounded on thighs, but he refused to evacuate the place. Now he boosted the morale of his soldiers by the war cry Vaheguru Ji da Khalsa and Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh, and they all stand up and fight against the enemy and refused to evacuate the place. Now the third wave arrived, and this time he himself, Subedar Joginder Singh, manned up a light machine gun and shot down a large number of Chinese enemies. And now, since the number of Chinese enemies are so large that In some time, the machine got empty, and now he himself and his men ready with the bayonets, and they starting bayoneting the enemies in large number. Since sometimes later, the Chinese forces empowered he and his soldiers, and in the succumb of his injuries, he died in Chinese captivity. On that evening, in the news, it was announced that he got Paramveer Chakra on 23rd October 1962, which is same day. And by hearing this news, his elder sister got died. After some time, Chinese sent back his ashes with full military honor to the battalion on 17 May 1963, and his earth was also later sent back to the battalion in Meerut, and eventually finally gave it to his wife. So my dear friends, this was the great story, and it makes or it boosts our morale so high. Thank you. Jai Hind.